This is the distance formula. It is used to find the difference between 2 points in a plane. So given 2 points which are 1 is to 2 and -1 is to -1, they will ask us the question saying find the distance between these 2 points. So this is how we use the distance formula to find this distance. First, we are going to plot these 2 points. So having 1 is to 2, it's going to be 1 in the x direction and 2 in the y direction. X is -1 and y is -1. It's going to be -1 in the x direction, -1 in the y direction. So these are our 2 points. So we draw a line. So this is the line that they are asking us about. This is the line between these 2 points. Obviously, this is going to be 1 is to 2, and it's going to be -1 is to -1. So after drawing up your line, what you need to do is you need to label your points. As we can see from the distance formula, it says x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1. So we need to label our 2 points in terms of 2 and 1. So this is our first point. So we're going to name it 1, and this is our second point. We're going to name it 2. So this is x, but since this is our first point, it's going to be x1 is 2. This is our y. Since it's our first point, it's going to be y1. Same goes for this point. This is our x, but since it's our second point, it's going to be x2. Same goes for y. It's y2. So now we have our x1, which is 1, y1, which is 2, x2, which is -1, y2, which is -1 also. So applying the distance formula, it's going to be d is equal to the square root of, so from what we know, our x2 is -1. So it's going to be -1. And then the distance formula says minus. And then our x1 is 1. So it's going to be -1, close bracket, square, plus, open bracket, our y2. Our y2 is obviously -1 minus our y1. Our y1 is obviously 2. Close bracket, squared. At this point, you can punch everything into your calculator and you can get the final answer. But this is going to be d is equal to the square root of -1 minus 1. It's going to be -2 squared, plus -1 minus 2. It's going to be -3 squared. Okay, square root of -2 squared is obviously going to be +4, plus -3 squared is obviously going to be +9. So our d comes down to being +4 plus 9, which is 13. So this is the distance between these 2 points in the Cartesian plane. So this is the end of the video and you are still here. So please just take 1 second to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that more people can see it.